Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will scroll down until you find this window of Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for